Oh, arise, sons and daughters of the land. Every hour of every day is the appointed time for greatness. Like person when we watch for rights, your time to be great is always right at hand. Arise, sons and daughters of the soil. You have planted your feet in the firmest of roots. It is time to spring forth and let your greatness be so evident in your fruits. Arise, for the founding fathers have labored. Fathers when no see shawarma to chop, but they put the sauce in this age when they wrap the fabrics of our history with standards never to be dropped. So tell everybody so they know that if they ever wanted to go treasure hunting, they should look at the hearts of the Edos because they are made of gold. You see, this one no be tailed by moonlight, but look up to the moon at night and see that you are a shining light and a story that deserves to be told. So arise. It is time to take it up a notch, just like the IBEN in the hand of the great Oba. It is time to seize the moment, for it belongs to you, just like the streets of Eridiawa and Aduwawa. Our treasures are found in all nations. Our greatness is second to none. Fully loaded and always ready to take our shots, we are making mockery of guns. To all who hail from this great land, to all the young and even the old, it is time to turn the caps lock on. Alas, it is time to stand up bold. It is time to stand together like our ancestors did when they fought those battles so that we may never entertain destruction. It is time to find common ground despite our diversity and unite like saying at the center of Five Junction. It is time for us to unite. Unite like say with the water and Gary so that we fit continue to the rise. Make we sit down together, make better pepper soup with all the pepper and don't try to put for inside our eyes. You see, the future feels strong like Momo or rough like Shaki, or if you join anyhow like roundabouts. But we not go ever chicken out because we dey always meet up to expectation. You see, the future is bright, but the light is somewhere inside of your heart. So it is time to wake up from your hibernation. Oh, arise, sons and daughters of the soil. It is time to teach your sons and your daughters that they are of the soil. Teach them that before the age of the internet, there was a web made out of love that held their ancestors together. Tell them that before the age of following each other on social media, goodness and mercy followed them because of the way they followed up with one another. Teach them that the ones that came before them fought for them with their blood, and it can never be in vain. Teach them that the future is a heavy responsibility, but discipline could pass as a grain. Teach your children so they might teach their children to come, that greatness is close to their reach if they open their eyes to see. Teach them that they come from the great and mighty Edo State, the land that others dream to be. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen.